Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'll be reviewing the ARPHA E22 Rearview Mirror front and rear dash cam. But make sure to stay to the end where I'll be showing you some driving footage. The ARPHA E22 dual rear view mirror dash cam has a 2K resolution for the front dash cam to capture license plates, road signs, and other critical details. Now the dash cam comes with WDR technology, which is also known as wide dynamic range, which balances the low light and bright light to give you clear footage of your driving. The WDR enables nighttime vision to record license plates and other details at night. The ARPHA E22 dash cam has a 10-inch screen. You have a front view, side-by-side view, and a rear view. The rear view will be the default view. The 10-inch rear view mirror dash cam can be used as a backup camera. All you have to do is install the red wire to your reverse lights. For a step-by-step installation video on the ARPHA E22 dash cam and the installation of the red wire, hit that subscribe button. While you're driving, you can see the full rear view of the road and the blind spots with its 170-degree wide-angle lens. You can also play back your driving footage and set your settings with the rear view 10-inch screen. The front dash cam also has a 170-degree wide-angle lens to capture full view of the road. The ARPHA E22 dash cam has two additional features that can assist you with your camera angles. These two features can be used when you have a unique way to install your dash cam. You could use the flip feature to rotate the video screen up and down 180 degrees. Now here's an example of that. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the main screen, and you can see the video is right side up, and that vehicle is on my right side, and it actually is on my right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on there, go back to your settings, move up, and we're going to turn this on now since it was off. We're going to click on the side, and you can see how the image is upside down. Or you could use the mirror feature. The screen of the rear camera is displayed in a mirror view. Now here's an example how that works. And next one is rear video mirror. We're going to click on that one. You could turn this off or on. Now remember, we had that car on the right side, and there was a reason I set that. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this off. We're going to click on the side to go back to the main screen, and you see that car now is actually on the left. Let me get that back here. And there's that car. It's on the left side. It's supposed to be on the right side. So let's go back in there. From off, we're going to turn it on, go back, and it's back on the right side where it needs to be. So that's what it is. The dash cam does not come with a micro SD card. You would need to purchase a Class 10 U3 SD card. The maximum gigabyte SD card is 128 gigabyte. But just make sure to format your SD card for the first time you use it in your dash cam, and then at least once a month. And I'll put links in the description to purchase one. The dash cam comes with loop recording. Loop recording will create new recordings that will automatically overwrite the oldest recording when the memory card is full. You can set this to 1 minute, 3 minute, which is default, or 5 minute loop recording. Now, even though you have loop recording, you still need to format your dash cam at least once a month because it's recording new videos and deleting videos. Then there is G sensor. The G sensor can be set to off, low, middle, or high. The G sensor is triggered by collision or shake, like potholes, speed bumps, or hard braking. That will automatically start recording a 60-second video. The dash cam will lock the current footage and will not be overridden by loop recording. This will protect your video for evidence for insurance claims. And I'll put a link in the description below for more information on G sensor and loop recording. This video has valuable information for dash cam users. Then there is emergency lock feature. If you see an incident happening like an accident, but not to you, all you have to do is touch the lock icon. This video will be locked and will not be overridden by loop recording. You can preserve the evidence and send it to the drivers involved in an accident. Now the feature I like is format reminder. In case you forget to format your SD card regularly, you could use this feature. You can be reminded after 15 days, 30 days, or 60 days. The reason you need to format your dash cam regularly is because the dash cam is deleting and recording new videos. Also, the locked files are taking space from your loop recording. If you don't format your SD card regularly, you will probably see a prompt that says SD card is full, or a prompt that says please format your SD card. This means loop recording doesn't have any more space to record because of the locked files. When the time is up, you can choose OK to format. The E22 dashcam has a built-in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect to your dashcam to view your recordings, share the recordings on social media, and adjust your settings with the ARPHA app. The ARPHA E22 Rearview Mirror dashcam has two parking features: collision detection and time-lapse parking mode. To use parking mode, an AZDOME hardwire kit is required. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one. I would also put a link in the description for a step-by-step video on how to install the AZDOME hardwire kit into your vehicle. Now let me explain what a hardwire kit does. The hardwire kit comes with a low voltage protection feature that automatically turns off the dashcam when the car battery voltage drops below a certain level. This helps to prevent the car's battery from being drained, ensuring that the car can start up normally the next time you use it. For collision detection parking mode, the G-Sense will automatically detect a collision or shake and auto-lock the video. The video will not be overridden by loop recording. For time-lapse parking mode, the dashcam will record continuously. When you review your footage, it will look like the dashcam is on fast forward. Now let me show you some driving footage and you can see the camera put to work. So what'd you think? Is this the right dash camera for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.